Spring is coming. Back from work and I was working on my sweater and this is how it's looking. I don't know what you think about the colors and everything. The only thing is, see how it's not going and staying round? It keeps going up. I have the feeling that increase is not right on this one for some reason, because I never had this problem before. I'm totally thinking and undo and maybe increase a little more by myself. I don't know. It really doesn't make sense, the increase, thinking on the other sweaters that I did with the same designer. But what do you think about the colors? Do you like? I hope you like this. I have divided my family. I have somebody that say that likes this, but without the mustard. Everything else will be green. I don't know. But so far I know that it's not going. I did the last of the increase on this, and it's also, if I do, like they say, a very aggressive wash and stretch, I can feel like it's not right, you know. I will undo and I will do my increase. I will do more increases in this side first too. We will see how it goes, but so far it's not going good. It's, I don't know. Maybe I will begin in another and see if that helps. I need to do my granola, my protein snacks. Let's go to do that. Anyway, thank you for all the prayers for Frosty. Frosty's still not feeling great. I think he has, first it has some problems with the ears, a little infection, and then it's the eating. He really doesn't want to eat, and he's all clean with shower. When he goes to, when we say that we're going to walk, he's so excited. So yesterday I did give half of a kind of tuna. That was all that he wanted to eat, just the half. Let's see if I can give you more, okay? Okay, this is what I have for today for the protein snacks that I will do. I have chocolate chips, I have dates, chia seed, coconut, and sweetened pecan, peanut butter, and what is oats. So let's mix all this. I'm not sure if I will put anything else. We will see. I almost forgot to put these to soak. Okay. It's almost half and one for me. Okay, while I get this soaking, I will try to make this monster eat This is what is left from the other tuna. Frosty, let's try to eat a little of this, huh? And I have to give like these little portions to him. Come on, eat a little more. You like this. Come on. A little? Oh, that's good. You want a little more? You like tuna. Come on. Come on, baby. Eat something. Okay. I guess it's enough for now. We will hold. We will hold. Maybe later I can make you eat a little more. Okay? Let's go to sit with him and in the sun. Maybe we will eat this later. Today is my husband going to try to get an appointment. He's like a private vet, so it's hard to get appointments, but I hope so. Okay, let me put shoes and we will sit outside, okay?